With the PlanGrid Build mobile app, teams can make critical decisions faster with models on site. BIM managers can create sign-off models directly in model coordination. Simply select the coordinated model, or view and save it to Autodesk Docs. This view will be available in the mobile app for faster and more informed field execution. Viewpoints with custom elements and camera angles can be created in Navisworks to direct workers on-site to specific points of interest. Once the model is opened, users can easily navigate throughout the model to better visualize design intent and find relevant installation information quickly. Orbit around the model by swiping a finger on the screen, or use the joystick to move into the model. Expanding the minimap gives users a bird's-eye view. Dragging the viewer icon around the map will move the users to that location, making it easier to navigate larger models. Toggling on the gyroscope allows users to intuitively look at their surroundings within the model by lifting and moving their device, helping to translate the model into their surroundings on site. Field teams can view model properties by pressing and holding the object, then selecting Properties from the tool pop-up. This information helps teams check their work against design intent and installation details, reducing significant rework costs. Issues are available on mobile as well. View a list of issues and track their status from wherever you are.